Team Fortress? That's the most ridiculous video game I ever heard and ever seen, man. It's terrible. It's a trolling game. And why they sound like that, why they look like that, it is ridiculous. This is weird and crazy and ugly. You fans who love this game, don't ask me to play it because you already know y'all already turned into trolls. I'm just here to help out one another to stop playing that Team Fortress video game. All of y'all don't listen. Y'all just want to play that Team Fortress game, so y'all want to be idiots and y'all have some low IQs and trying to be like those idiots. And y'all want to be stupid playing that Team Fortress. That video game sucks so bad. I don't care what you say, because you're trying to defend your own video game called Team Fortress. Your game suck. I hate that game. It is boring. And I don't want to be no troll because y'all want to be silent bullies. And I don't want to try to protect y'all no more because y'all still playing the game here because y'all don't care. And I'm just here to help out. Y'all trying to be some haters right now. I want y'all to be haters because this troll is actually wants you to play Team Fortress because the person who made it is a troll and wants y'all to become trolls in order to stop a bully on every single people on the internet. Listen to me, son. Listen to me, girl. Because you know what's going down and going on. There's something going on with this video game. This video game is disaster. It's underrated. And I'm telling you, do not play that game. This game looks bizarre, man. I want to make a better video game than that. That game is a waste of time. At least I never played it because I never heard about this game. This is so stupid. This game is so maniacs and psychos and stupid other people who want to play this because someone's idea who wants to make this stupid game for trolls. And your Team Fortress friends, not friends, Team Fortress fans, you are pathetic, you are ignorant, imbeciles, and you are hypocrites. We don't care about y'all because y'all are trolls. Because I don't want y'all to mess with all of us because y'all trying to hypnotize us to play it because I'm at least not playing it because I don't want to be no troll like you. I'm being myself, I'm being clean, and I'm protecting myself from danger because I know that's a dangerous game. I know it's actually the worst game ever. And I personally love to play other games besides that ridiculous game. I can't stage y'all. Y'all acting like idiots. Man, you're some maniacs up in here. We don't like that. Stop playing on us on your precious video game called Team Fortress, you psychos. All of you are so dumb right now for playing this game. I feel bad for you. Team Fortress is trash. Team Fortress is garbage. It's going inside of the trash and it's going straight to the garbage. Ha ha ha. You fans are so silly because it's funny. I hate trolls and I hate Team Fortress. I hate Team Fortress. Do not play Team Fortress. Because if you do play Team Fortress, you will turn into a troll. You will hypnotize into a troll. I dare you not to play it. I force you not to play it. I'm begging you. I'm here to save your life. If you don't listen to me, I'm not going to listen to you. That you said that you want to play Team Fortress. I'm here to protect y'all. Do not play Team Fortress. It's a trolling game. It's a trolling video game. I am warning you. I am protecting you and I'm saving your life. I'm here for you so you could be alright and be protected. I'm protecting you. You got to listen to me. You will be a hater if you do become a troll in Team Fortress. Because Team Fortress is a bad game. I don't want you to play it. I hate that game. Everybody hates that game. You gotta listen to me. For real, it's going down. I'm dead serious. You better listen to me. If you're not listening to me, I'm done with you. Period.
So his arms up. Really. That's it. Really squeeze those tries, mate. Really squeeze those tries. Go on. Alright, if we're gonna die quietly, yeah? That's 4. Down and up.